In this tutorial, I'm going to demonstrate how to split a Word document into 2 or more columns. I'm going to open this document that I have on my desktop, and for example, I want to split this paragraph here, or let's just first of all split the entire page or the entire document into columns. So I'll just go on the above here on the ribbons, select the layout tab, and then you'll see this column. Just click on it, and then or just click on that, go to more columns, and here you select the number of columns that you want. For example, I want 2 for the entire document. I'll click 2, and if I want to have a line that separates the columns, I'll just select this and then click OK. So you'll see that this entire document has been split into 2 equally, and we have a line in between. Let me just undo that so that and for example, if you want to split a particular paragraph into 2, we just select that entire paragraph, go back to layout, and then click on column, this here, then go to more columns, and you click on the number of columns that you want to have on that particular paragraph. For example, I want 2, and then you just click. For this time around, I don't want to have a line in between, so I'll just click OK, and right there you have your paragraph split into 2. And if I want more than 2, for example, I want 3, I just select that particular paragraph, go back to layout, go to columns, more columns, and this time round I want to have a line in between, but you can't have line in between before you split. So I'll select 3, and I want a line in between, and also make sure that you check the equal column width. Then you click OK. You can see now we have this particular paragraph split into 3 equally, and we have lines in between. So that's all. That's the method that you can use to separate or to create columns in your Word document. I'll see you in the next tutorial.